Papa will be free America, baby. But then for actually invest, because all this money you guys invest into this BYK concert, he lose a lot of money. MDK lose money. They try to tell you. He lose money. Hey, who needs me organizing my concert no? Maintenance na me share tacticians he can be losing na. I know the who knows he can back. So concert where can go on. Oka koje a floor home 100,000 plus. A home 100,000. Obe renting on 100,000 plus. Obe logistics be 200,000. Stage need design as for be 200,000 to 300,000. Aya oka my 400,000. Artist no more be transportation be sort. Minisi come the poyer sadi. So be as a show why no do your show. Boss me confess come in fa. Me confess come in fa. So you have to respect MDK. You have to respect MDK. Hey, some of them point I had papa. No, I had papa. Hey, why papa? Some of them point Kofi Jam. Oh my God, papa. Nobody for Ghana should ever disrespect what these people did. Oh my God, dear. Oh my God, dear. If I'm on MDK, I hear me, or point any baby, me ame ba. You hear me? People don't understand. Me MDK the beef. MDK insults me, sir. Oh, this is that insult to MDK insults me. Oh, depressed the whole 2020. Those are kind of stage. The whole 2024, then they go through and 2024, 5, God bless me. 2024, me chin it to be. One me contact you know. Man fan channel. Kami kuno. Oh, me answer me go free no. Me free MDK in China. Answer na me go free in China. Hey. After I go out there try fight me say ni nyama nyina olusu na ere isi ka se me basa anum krobo kre nko bio o ko ne spiritual father ho unu ne spiritual father Shatawale wale healam I do be wale we heal MDK MDK from 2024 after he fights me he go lost till today oh no why Shatawale that boy me want that why I love wale na me when I beast wale no be physical beast now one spiritual beast way if you day your back you lie but everything go